About that time. About that time. Uh-oh.
It's hot and boom. It's hot and boom.
Time to go to work. Time to go to work, baby. Let's go. Clock in for work today, baby.
The very best that you got. Don't hold anything back. Get better. Push each other. Push each other.
Head out. Head out.
Where this thing going?
Not backside. We ain't play backside.
Yep.
Drop. That's it. Good. Nice work.
Ready, touch.
Go back. Jason, come here. Don, get in there. Get in there. Double teaming the guard. Tight up, double teaming the guard. Go take him for a ride. Take him. Good, right there. To go inside of him, you've got to attack his inner half.
Low. That's it. Keep moving your feet. Good job, Brett.
Try to take it. Good. Separate him, Tony.
Let's go.
Now come on. Good. Nice, Tony. Nice. And knocking y'all's butts off the ball. They're running you out there. Tony Robinson, you ain't fighting your butt off. He's running you wide. Hey, they're whipping y'all's fannies right up the middle, and you're liking it. Get into him, Julian. That's it. Here we go. On a 2-eye, on a 3-5, I want you downhill. Big gap, downhill. Play it 3 yards, downhill. Quick step. Quick. That's it, good. Nice. Two man.
Ready, sir.
Go. Ball. That's it, baby. That's it. Nice. Great job. Punch him now. Hands. That's it. Hell yeah. That ought to be 6. Hit it, 20. Come on, 20. Hit it, man.
We here, baby. All day. This will get me better. 101. Stay hungry and compete. It's like one of my favorite things to do at practice. Catch it, see the block, see the hole, hit it and run. Try to feed off my big impact last year.
That's it, work out good. Go. Get your head up. Height, drop your hips.
Let's work. Colt. There you go.
Rufus, up, nice. Good. Let's go, roll. Now, roll your hips. Good. Flat. Hands. Go get it. Accelerate, land. Right there.
Here you are, right here in Ann Arbor, right here in the big house. You're backed up with your foot almost on the back line. See what you got. The best you've had all fall. That's good. That's nice. That's good right there. All right. That's good. Get him up. That's good. We don't ever take a break.
Yes, sir.
We don't ever stop out here. For 2.5 hours, you don't stop. You don't even really realize till you get in the ball game what you're doing. 2.5 hours of it. Then to go run like you run those last 3, those fifths, that's awesome. Champions on 3. 1, 2, 3. Champions.